Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna be shaving my head. You guys have been an OG follower of mine for many years here on YouTube. Then you know that I used to have my side cut done. If you don't know what a side cut is, I will go ahead and show you, but I had this done back in like, oh gosh, 2014, 2013. So I saved a couple of pictures of what it used to look like, so I'll go ahead and show you. So here's what my side cut used to look like back when I was a platinum blonde. Do not leave me a comment saying that I should go back blonde because I won't approve it. I am never going back blonde, okay? Here's another one of when I had brown hair. So it's basically just like a portion of your head that you shave pretty much. And I was thinking lately I was really kind of like miss my side cut. So I think we're gonna do it today. I think we're gonna get my side cut back. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I already sectioned out the portion of hair that is going to go. My hair, and basically like how I came up with this whole thing is I was giving myself a little bit of a trim on my ends. I trimmed up my bangs to get them nice and straight and blunt again. And I was like, man, I really miss my side cut and I really want to get it back. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I figured like what a cool video to do this on, right? So I got my side cut done the first time, I went to a professional. Whereas today, I'm going to shave it myself. Lord help us all. And yes, I look a little bit rough. I don't have any makeup on. I actually just finished grooming my Pomeranian for an assignment, so I look a little bit sweaty and tired and just gross, okay? So I wanted to do this and then go jump in the shower, but I had to record this for you guys because I know a lot of you really enjoyed my side cut. I really enjoyed it too. The reason why I grew it out after having it for so long, it wasn't because I didn't want it anymore. It was because I got a job about 5.5 years ago now, which is crazy, and I didn't think it would be appropriate to have, so I grew it out, and now I just don't really give a fuck. So I'm gonna shave it back, and yeah, I don't know how short I'm gonna go. I'm thinking I'm gonna do pretty short, not completely bald, but pretty damn short. So I just have my little wall clippers. I actually use these for dog grooming, but I have my 30 blade with a number 5 attachment. So, I mean, we'll see how it goes with that. If not, I'll just take this off and use the 30. That's just kind of what I'm going with. Regardless, these shave hair, and that's what we're doing in this video, so I really don't think like size of the blade matters because we're going to be just shaving our head. Also, nobody in my family knows that I'm doing this, so this is going to be quite a bit of a shock. I need a mirror. Hang on. Let's just like pray to the gods above that I don't fuck this up, because if I fuck this up, it's going to take quite a while for it to grow back. But, you know, when it comes to hair, I don't really care about that kind of stuff because at the end of the day, it's just hair. It's gonna grow back, you know what I mean? So I have my hair pretty much parted. I have a couple little stragglers right here. Okay, so basically what I did to kind of section my hair as to where I wanted my side cut, I basically went from like the center of my eye right here and did a part. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. And then I basically made another part back here. So kind of following right behind my ear. So this whole section right here, that is going to be my side cut again. It's pretty much in the exact same spot as it was many years ago. And I don't know if this is like the correct way to do this, but we're just gonna kind of wing it. This is literally, I am the most impulsive person to ever walk the face of the earth. Like, if someone's like, hey, you should shave your head, and I'm like, fuck yeah, I should. I'm gonna go do that right now. And where we are. I wanna make sure I get the rest of my hair out of the way because we don't wanna shave anything else except this crap right here. God, I look awful. Oh boy, what am I doing? It's not like I've never shaved my head before. I definitely have. When I had my undercut, I did that myself. So I mean, this really shouldn't be, you know, too much different, I'm hoping. So let me zoom you guys in and we can get going. Also, can we like peep the new background? It is so fucking cool. I'm obsessed with it. I bought it off of Walmart, in case any of you are wondering. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these little hair cutting shears, and I'm actually just going to, oh my god, this is always like so nerve-wracking and I don't even know why. I'm basically just gonna take these shears and just cut. Oh. Do you guys hear that? Oh my god. There it is. No turning back now. It's official, bro. Could you imagine if I just left it like this? And this is basically like what a side cut looks like when it starts to grow out, is it just looks all weird like this. Ow. Okay, moving on. The next and final step of me giving myself a side cut is to shave the rest of it off. So I need to actually find a plug. We're ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that's so short. Fuck. Alright, well, we're going completely bald. Here we go. Let's fucking do this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so short. Oh my god. So I wasn't planning like, you know, going completely bald, but shit. We're already there. Oh, and just to clarify, I'm totally fine. I'm not going crazy. I didn't just do this because like, this isn't like a quarter life crisis. I just felt like shaving my head. I mean, I don't know why people think that you shave your head like you must be going through some sort of mental breakdown, but I promise I'm not. Everything is good and dandy. So I don't really know how to get like this part of my hair without shaving the rest of it. I'm gonna try a headband. Oh, bitch! The side cut is back! She's back in action! Oh my fucking god, I cannot believe I just did that. Oh, it feels so good though. And it feels like home. Alright guys, so there is my hair shaved. It does look a little bit silly with the bangs, but you know, I'm gonna rock it. Like, I think it's pretty cool. And a little inside story for you guys is kind of the main reason why I also wanted to bring my side cut back is because I am going to do something pretty crazy. And yes, I'm going to film it, but I am going to get a tattoo on my head. And in order to do that, you have to be a little bit bold. So I don't know when it's happening yet. The side cut is officially back in town, ready for action, and then whenever I need to hide it for like any sort of professional setting, if I can find my part, then it's like it never happened. See? That's why it's very important to part your hair the correct way, and then that way when I go like this, you can start to see it. And it's literally at that length now where every hair sticks to it. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go down and give it a huge thumbs up because your girl just shaved her fucking head on camera. How exciting. Make sure you go down, thumbs this video up. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go down and subscribe. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in the next video. I'm sorry this one was so random. I had to do it, alright? So, I will see you guys soon.